So, how much rice is the family's getting? Let's bleed. Ask questions.
I'm gonna ask.
Ask whoever's in charge. Say, how much are they giving the families? Let them say.
5 kilos per person.
Does it depend on how big the family is? Yes. So, for example, if there's 4 or more in the family, how much?
Bag for 20 kilos of rice.
20 kilos.
If 5.
So what? 5 kilos per person? Ah.
On the next door, they had 2 sacks of rice.
2 what?
2 sacks
2 socks.
of rice.
2 socks. Only 2 socks? You're not going to get much in a sock. You mean sack?
2 sacks.
2 sack. You said socks. So there you go. So the Barangay's hello. The Barangay's doing it a really good job. No, thank you. Thanks very much. You're doing a good job.
Okay, thank you, sir. You're welcome, my friend. Thank you.
So that's the local Barangay sorting things out. Things are starting to move now because the government's giving a lot of extra cash.
They're not waiting the rice, they want money. Yeah, because the government, they're gonna give us well the money.
Yeah, they're doing a really good job.
5,000
Really
to
good job.
8,000, I think.
How much, babe?
5,000 to 8,000.
Oh, they're going to give the family some money as well, aren't they?
Yeah, but not all.
No, just the poor ones. Yeah, the really poor. Between 5,000 and 8,000 pesos, along with the rice they're getting. So that's really good. It's a beautiful hot day. Really hot. A shushu. Wow. Yeah. It's. Why is your father in disguise? Why is he wearing a mask? Is he going to rob a bank? What?
Because you're not allowed. You need to wear a mask.
You need to wear a mask when you go to Centro. So that's it, guys. We did catch up with a lorry, thank God. Otherwise, we wouldn't have much to show you, and you perhaps thought we were pulling your leg. I really love them shorts that Mel's wearing. You know, since I met her, she's got very sexy, guys. And you see, now I said this to Mel a while ago. I said, why doesn't your mum start selling this type of food? And Mel says, because of the old woman, because she'd be in competition and the old woman would be upset and not sell very much, obviously. Pardon me. But, see, this is how good the family is. This wouldn't normally stop Filipinos, family or not, from being in competition with anybody. They'd just do it, but her mum won't do it because she doesn't want to take money away from the other family. I mean, they're outside a shop, they shouldn't really be here, and they don't pay anything, any rent or anything, do they, Mum? Yeah. So let's have a look at Mel here. My problem is the rips in your shorts. I mean, I don't know. So let's see what food Ma's got. What's this then, Mel? What's that?
150 sa sarang kilo. Nagutak ka. Padikito ba?
The pork gulay, and that's liver, which I love. And as you know, guys, this is my favourite, and of course I'm joking lamb because it's disgusting. And that's oh, yummy, oh yeah, yummy. Yeah. So you know what I feel about the fish, guys, don't you?
He cooked so good.
No, I'm sure it's cooked okay. It's just I don't like that fish. I like the liver.
Pinuta na siya amin.
This is very yummy.
Really, how you know?
Because I ate it. Was it yesterday?
Still, guys, Christine.
Shush, don't tell them. Don't tell
What you
them.
always do? Stealing.
Look at this young lady here. Look, this is Dua's new girlfriend. Isn't she very maganda? Sobrang maganda. Why are you hiding?
Inside, go inside.
Don't hide. There, look how beautiful she is. Wow. So, while this is going on anyway, this is going to be Ma's new way of making a little bit extra cash, which is good. She stopped selling the bananas because the bananas had got too expensive, and she wasn't, by the time she'd cooked and ingredients and stuff, she wasn't really making anything on them. Because, you see, I keep telling Ma, you need to raise the price to what everybody else is selling them at. She's selling them cheaper, and she won't raise the price. You know, if somebody's selling, for example, if somebody's selling 3 half bananas on a stick for like 12, 15 pesos and she's selling them for 10, yeah, she'll sell them, but she's making no profit. But she won't raise the price, will she, Mel? So that's it. So things are a little bit more lively today. Just a little bit than what they normally are, and they're getting to know who's selling food when, so they're out and about. Oh, Mel, there's a pajak thingy for sale here, look. Oh no, it's not, it's service.
Bano.
Yeah, I thought, what's service mean?
Service, like for example, if you're gonna buy grocery, you can get it there.
Oh right, he'll take you.
Rice or like soft drinks.
Ah, okay, I thought it was for sale.
Service.
Yeah.
They're not allowed the pajak.
Ano ini yun lang baga ni?
So what? He's not allowed though in Centro, is he, Mel? Oi! He's not allowed in Centro, is he?
Yeah, it's allowed. Because it's service, but if you pick a customer,
Right. Okay. That's it. Then.
Kaya kayang 40 taon mo ang magayo.
Iba ko man masirang.
Lagi man din
Bako man tumboy.
sigin saro.
Dina ako nagwa.
sili.
Shibaru.
Thief!
No, Shibaru the
Thief.
whale because she wants to.
I know, I'm joking. For
No,
God's-
I'm just saying that the reason why she borrowed the whales because she wants to kilo if it's 15 kilos, but they give to them.
To make sure they've given them the right amount. Why is this distrust? Why do they not trust?
Yeah, because you know,
Yeah, yes, I know.
it's better to shut up.
So, it's over to you, Mel.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share
Our videos. Are you doing a cooking video?
Tomorrow.
Oh, it's tomorrow now. Okay then.
No, because the grocery shop is closed because it's only Friday.
Right. Okay then. Calm down.
I can buy.
And thank you very much to John,
Thank you, John.
whose
for my
family is in
presents.
Camaligan, so you know who it is. Thank you very much, John. We'll see you on the live stream, hopefully. So until then, bye guys.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name. Grass spin into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.